In this class, I am going to discuss multiple angle formulas of sine and cosine. Let us see here. We know that cos A plus B can be written as cos A cos B, plus sign is there, so put minus here, sin A sin B. We have this formula cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And this, if we put B is equals to A or A is equals to B, so it will become cos A plus A is equals to cos A minus sin A, and sin B will become sin A. This will become cos square A minus sin square A. Here we have cos 2A. So this is one of the formula. Cos 2A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. Have seen cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This is one of the formula. Take it as equation 1. Now we know that identity sin square A plus cos square A value is 1. So cos 2A can be written as cos square A as it is minus sin square A. From this it will become 1 minus cos square A. So this will become cos square A minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square A. Cos square A plus cos square A is 2 cos square A minus 1. This is the value of cos 2A. This is one another formula. Cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1. Similarly, from this, get the value of cos and put here. Then cos 2A is equals to cos square A value is 1 minus sin square A. So it will become 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. So this will become 1 minus 2 sin square A. This is another formula. Cos 2A value is 1 minus 2 sin square A. So we have first formula, second, third. Now from this, from second formula, from cos 2A, get cos square A value. So cos 2A from formula 2, we will take this as equation 2 and equation 3. From equation 2, we have cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Send this minus 1 to that side, it will become cos 2A plus 1 is equals to cos 2A plus 1 is equals to cos square A, 2 cos square A. Now this is one of the formula, that is 1 plus cos 2A value is 2 cos square A. This is one more formula, that is 4. 1 plus cos 2A value is 2 cos square A. Similarly, send this 2 to that side, it will become 1 plus cos 2A divided by 2 is equals to cos square A. Now from equation 3, get sin square A value, it will become 2 sin square A. 2 sin square A value is 1 minus cos 2A. 1 minus cos 2A. So this is also one of the formula, that is 1 minus cos 2A is equals to 2 sin square A. This is formula 5. 1 minus cos 2A is 2 sin square A. From this, get sin square A value, that will be sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Here we have 1 plus cos 2a. That implies here we have 2a. Then we have 1a here. If we have 1 plus cos a, then this will become 2 cos square. Here value is half, 2a and a. So here it will become a by 2, that is half of this. So 1 plus cos a value is 2 cos square a by 2. Similarly, from this we will get 1 minus cos a formula. 1 minus cos a half the value. Then it will become 2 sine square a by 2. Here a is there, so half of a is a by 2. Whenever we get minus sign, 1 minus cos, we will get sine. Minus for sine and plus for cos. Similarly, this can also be written as 1 plus cos 2a is there. If we take 4a, then half will be 2 cos square, half of 4a is 2a. Similarly, here also we can write 1 cos 1 minus cos. So we can take 1 minus cos 2a is there. If we take 4a, then it will become 2 sine square, half of this value, 2a. So basically we should take half of this value. These are the formulas that we have to by heart. First formula is cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sine square a. This is very important. And after that we have this formula that is very important. And then cos 2a value is 1 minus 2 sine square a. This formula is very important. After that these formulas are very important. 1 plus cos 2a and 1 minus cos 2a. Similarly, we can get the value of cos 2a in terms of tan. Here cos 2a value we have cos square a minus sine square a. If we want to get this value in terms of tan, then this can be written as we have cos 2a. We have cos 2a values cos square a minus sine square a. Write down here cos square a minus sine square a. If we want tan here, so divide by identity. Divide this by identity. Here we have sine square a plus cos square value is 1. So in denominator 1 is there. So replace that 1 by this term cos square a plus sine square a. The value of this equation is 1. So we are writing this. We want tan. Tan is sine by cos. So tan is sine by cos. If we want tan here, so divide by cos. So that's why divide this equation by cos square. Divide by cos square a. This equation. Then that will become, this will become 1 minus sine square a by cos square a divided by 1 plus sine square a divided by cos square a. That is equals to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. This is the formula for cos 2a. Hence we can write one more formula, that is formula number 6. That is cos 2a is equals to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Here 2a is there, so take half. Half of 2a is a. If we have cos a, then we should take 1 minus tan square a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Take half of that value. So these are the formulas that are related to cos 2a. That sin a plus b formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. AB and AB will be there. Sin cos, cos sin. Now put b value as a. then it will become sin A plus A is equals to sin A cos A plus cos A into sin A. This will become A plus A is 2A. So sin 2A is equals to sin A cos A, sin A cos A. It will become 2 sin A cos A. So this is very important formula. Formula 1, sin 2A equal to 2 will come here, sin A and cos A will be there. Similarly, if we have sin A, we will get 2 sin half of this A by 2 into cos A by 2, sin A by 2 and cos A by 2. So 2A is there. So we have to take half of the 2A is A and A will be there. If we have A, then it will become 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Similarly, sin 4A. Sin 4A will be 2 sin half of this is 2A. Sin 2A into cos 2A. So we have to remember this formula. Sin 2A value is 2 sin A cos A. Now, if we want to get here tan, in terms of tan, we want sin 2A value. Then sin 2A value we got as 2 sin A cos A. Divide by identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So that is cos square A plus sin square A, value is 1. Now here we want tan. So tan is sin by cos. Tan is sin by cos. So we have sin here divided by cos. So here cos square is there. So divide by cos square. Divide by cos square A. So it will become 2 sin A cos A divided by cos square A divided by cos square A plus sin square A divided by cos square A. This will become, these two will get cancelled. 2 sin by cos is tan, so it will become tan A divided by cos is 1 plus sin by cos is tan, so it will become tan square A. We got sin 2A value. This is one of the important formula in terms of tan. Sin 2A value in terms of tan 2, this 2 will come here, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Here 2A is there, so you should take A here, half of 2A is A. Similarly, we can have sin A formula. Sin A will be there, 2 tan A is there, half of this is A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. So this is one of the important formula, sin A equal to 2 tan A by 2 plus tan square A by 2. We have this, and second formula is this. Also we can derive sin 3A value. Sin 3A formula that can be written as sin 2A plus A. Finally we will get this 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So one of the important formula, 3 sin A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Third formula, similarly we have cos 3A. We have 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Here in sin 3A we have 4 sin cube A, in cos 3A we have 4 cos cube A. For cos will come first, for sin 4 sin cube will come at last. 3 sin A, 3 cos A will be there. So these are the formulas that you have to remember. Prove that we have to prove all. Okay, we have to prove all of this. We know that we have some formulas. 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2, minus is there, so sine will come. Sine square, half of this value is theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta value is 2 cos square theta plus sine. Plus means cos, minus means sine. We have this formulas, and sine 2 theta value we have 2 sine theta cos theta. We have to remember this formulas. Now let us take LHS of this. LHS we have 1 plus sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus sine 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. 1 plus sine theta, we do not have formula. 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta is there. So write down these two, first and last, and first and last. So it will become 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sine 2 theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sine 2 theta. First and last, and first and last. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta plus sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Take 2 cos theta common, it will become 2 cos theta. We have cos theta here plus sine theta. Take 2 sine theta common, 2 sine theta. We have sine theta plus cos theta. These two will get cancelled. We have cos by sine, it will become cot theta. So this is RHS. So we have got LHS equal to RHS. Similarly, we have to prove 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta divided by 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta equal to tan theta by 2. So let us take LHS of this. This is LHS of A, LHS of B. Take first and last, 1 minus cos theta plus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus sine theta. So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2 plus sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Take these two common, we have 2 sine theta by 2 common. We have one more sine theta inside, sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Take 2 cos theta common. We have cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2. These two will get cancelled. We have tan theta by 2, that is RHS. So take LHS. We have cos 2 theta by 1 plus sine 2 theta. We do not have 1 plus sine 2 theta formula. We have 1 plus cos, 1 minus sine. So can we convert sine to cos? Yes. Sine theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly, cos theta can be written as sine pi by 2 minus theta. So cos 2 theta can be written as sine pi by 2 minus this 2 theta. 1 plus sine can be converted to cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now we have 1 plus cos theta formula. Treat this as theta. So we have 1 plus cos theta formula, sine 2 theta formula. So sine theta, here we have sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So this can be written as 2 sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta by 2 into cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta divided by 2. Now divided by 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Treat this as theta. So pi by 2 minus 2 theta divided by 2. This division by 2 is for this angle, not for sine. This is for only theta. So this will become 2. Take LCM here, it will become 2 sine 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4. So it will become pi minus 4 theta divided by 4 into cos. Similarly, pi minus 4 theta divided by 4 divided by 2 cos square pi minus 4 theta by 4. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. This complete with this square get cancelled. Sine by cos. Sine by cos is tan pi by 4. Separate this pi by 4 minus 4 theta by 4 value is theta. So we got this tan pi by 4 minus theta, RHS. Similarly, we have 1 plus sine 2 theta, 1 minus sine 2 theta. This can be LHS of d bit 1 plus sine 2 theta divided by 1 minus sine 2 theta. In terms of tan, we have to get, we do not have formula for 1 plus sine 2 theta, 1 minus sine theta formula. Either we can convert sine to cos, or we can make use of 1 as identity. Take this 1 as identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta, this 1 value. The value of 1 is sine square theta plus cos square theta. This sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta divided by sine square theta. This value of 1 is sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta. Now this can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. This can be written as sine theta plus cos theta whole square divided by similarly sine theta minus cos theta whole square. This can be written as sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta whole square. These two square combined square. Now we want 1 here and tan here. So if we want 1 here, so divide it by cos theta. We want tan, so divide by cos theta, it will become sine theta by cos theta plus 1 divided by sine theta by cos theta minus 1 whole square. This can be written as 1 plus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta. Here we can interchange this here. 1 minus tan theta. 1 minus tan theta whole square. Because square is there, so we can interchange this, because a minus b whole square value is same as b minus a whole square. So in square we can interchange these two sums. Similarly, this can be interchanged. 1 minus tan theta. Tan theta minus 1 can be changed to 1 minus tan theta. So we got RHS. If sin A equal to 3 by 5, angle A lies between 0 and 90, find sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A, sin 4A. Given sin A value is 3 divided by 5. A lies between 0 and 90 means A belongs to first quadrant. So A is acute angle. Now just draw a right angle triangle to get other trigonometric values. Here we have A, so write down A here. Here 90 degree will be there. Opposite to 90 we have hypotenuse. So sin A, sin is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite value is 3. Opposite to A is 3. So write down 3 here. And adjacent is not required. Hypotenuse value is 5. So we want this adjacent. Apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. Hypotenuse is 5 square, adjacent we don't know, opposite is 3 square. 25 minus 9 is equals to adjacent square. So adjust 16, that is, so adjacent value is we got as 4. So adjacent value is 4. Also, whenever we see 3 and 5, we know a triplet. By triplet, whenever we see 3, 5, the other angle will be, the other side will be 4. So always remember this 3, 5, 4 or 3, 4, 5. So we will get cos A from here. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent value here, adjacent to A is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So cos A value is this, cos A value is 4 by 5. Similarly get tan A value is sin by cos, sin A by cos A. Sin value is 3 by 5, cos value is 4 by 5. So it will become 3 by 4 tan value, tan A. Here we want sin 2A. Sin 2A's formula is sin 2 sin A cos A. So sin 2A value is 2 sin A cos A. 2 into sin A value is 3 by 5. Sin A value is 3 by 5. Cos A value is 4 by 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24 divided by 5 into 5 is 25. Similarly, cos 2A. Cos 2A can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square A. Cos 2A formula is 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 minus 2 into sin square A. Sin value is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 square. That will become 1 minus 2 into 9 by 25. Take LCM, 25 ones are 25 minus 2 into 9 is 18 divided by 25. So 25 minus 18, 7 by 25. This can also be find out by, instead of 1 minus 2 sin square A, we can also calculate by 2 cos square A minus 1. We will get same answer. For tan 2A, we have sin 2A by cos 2A. We can write sin 2A by cos 2A. Sin 2A value is 24 by 25. Cos 2A. Cos 2A value is 7 by 25. It will become 24 divided by 7. Similarly, this sin 4A value. Sin 4A can be written as 2 sin 2A cos 2A. So 2 into sin 2A value is 24 by 25. Cos 2A value is 7 by 25. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 24s are 336. 25 into 25 is 625. So sin 4A value is 336 by 625. Given root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus 2 cos 8 2 plus cos 8 theta, values k into cos theta, then the value of k. Here take 2 common, it will become 1 plus cos 8 theta. So this will become 2 cos square, half of this value is 4 theta. So this can be written as root 2 plus root 2 plus 2 common, it will become 1 plus cos 8 theta. 1 plus cos 8 theta value is 2 cos square 4 theta, that is equals to k into cos theta. Now that can be written as root 2 plus root 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4, root 4 value is 2. Cos square 4 theta, this square and square root will get cancelled. We have cos 4 theta, that is equals to k cos theta. Similarly, write down 2 plus root, take 2 common, we have 1 plus cos 4 theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta, that is 2 cos square half 2 theta. So it will become 2 cos square 2 theta, k cos 2 cos theta. Now this can be written as root 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4, root 4 value is 2. This square root will get cancelled. We have cos 2 theta, k into cos theta. Now take 2 common. We have 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta is equals to k into cos theta. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4, root 4 value is 2 into this square and square rule will get cancelled. Cos theta is equals to k into cos theta. So the value of k is 4. The value of cos power 4 pi by 8, cos power 4 3 pi by 8, 5 pi by 8, 7 pi by 8 value is. We have pi by 8 basic angle and multiples of pi by 8. All these are multiples of pi by 8. Now this angle and this angle, pi by 8 and 7 pi by 8, and these two, 3 pi by 8 and 5 pi by 8. We have first angle pi by 8, next angle we have 7 pi by 8. Now 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7 is 1, here also 1 pi by 8. So this can be modified in terms of pi by 8. So 7 pi by 8 can be written as, here pi by 8 is there, so write down pi by 8 basic angle. 1 is there, so 1 pi is there, 1 pi. Take minus here. 8 pi minus 1 pi, 7 pi by 8. So 7 pi by 8 can be modified as pi minus pi by 8. Similarly, we have 3 pi by 8. 3 pi by 8. Next angle is 5 pi by 8. 5 pi by 8. Now modify 5 pi by 8 in terms of 3 pi by 8. 8 minus 5, how much? 8 minus 5 is 3. So here we have 3 and here we have 3. So this can be written as 3 pi by 8. 5 pi by 8 can be written as 3 pi by 8. Here put minus sign. Here write down pi. 8 into pi is 8 pi minus 3 pi is 5 pi by 8. So modify 7 pi by 8 and 5 pi by 8 in terms of basic angle. Now we have cos of 5 pi by 8, cos of 7 pi by 8. So apply cos here. Cos 7 pi by 8 is equals to cos pi minus pi by 8. This is 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this will become, this is theta. This will become minus cos pi by 8. So we got cos 7 pi by 8 value. This value we got. Similarly, get the value of this 5 pi by 8. Apply cos here. It will become cos 5 pi by 8 is equals to cos pi minus 3 pi by 8. So this will become cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, minus cos 3 pi by 8. So we got these two values. Write down cos power 4 pi by 8. Now this value 5 pi by 8 value is minus cos 3 pi by 8 whole power of 4 plus this value will become minus cos pi by 8 whole power of 4. Minus power 4, that is minus 1 power 4 value is 1 only. So this will become positive. These two are same and these two are also same. 1 cos power 4, 1 cos power 4 will be 2. 2 cos power 4 pi by 8 plus these two will be 2 cos power 4 3 pi by 8. Take 2 common, we have cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8. Now this can be written as cos square pi by 8 whole square plus cos square 3 pi by 8 whole square. 2 into 2 is 4. We know that 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So 1 plus cos 2 theta value by 2 value is cos square theta. We have cos square theta. This is theta. Value is 1 plus cos 2a. Here we have 1 theta, here 2 theta. So 2 times of that. So write down 2 into, this will become 1 plus cos 2 times of pi by 8. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 8 here and square is there. This square will be written here plus this can also be written as 1 plus cos 2 times 2 into 3 pi by 8 cos 2 theta by 2 whole square. Now this can be written as write down these two as it is. 2 square 4. 4 can be taken out, so it will become 2 by 4. 1 plus cancel these 2 ones are 2 4s are, so 1 plus cos pi by 4. 1 plus cos pi by 4 square plus 2 1s 2 4s. It 1 plus cos 3 pi by 4 whole square. Now these two will get cancelled. We have 1 by 2. Here we have 1 plus cos pi by 4 means 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 square plus here we have 3 pi by 4. This can be modified as 4 minus 3 is 1. So this can be written as pi by 4. Here take pi minus. So 4 pi minus. So apply cos here. Cos 3 pi by 4 is equals to cos pi minus pi by 4. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So pi by 4. So it will become minus cos pi by 4. So the value will be 1 minus 1 by root 2 square. Here we have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. We have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. The value will be 2 into a square plus b square. The value of a plus b whole square, a minus b square is 2 into a square plus b square. So this will become 1 by 2 into 2 a square. A value is 1, a and b. 1 square value is 1. 1 by root 2 square value is 1 by 2. So this will become 1 by 2 into 2. This will become LCM 3 by 2. These two will get cancelled. We have 3 by 2. So the value of this is 3 by 2. Given x lies between pi and 2 pi and this value is cot ax plus b. Then find a and b. Solution 1 plus cos x formula. So this can be written as root over 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 plus root over 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2 divided by root 2 cos square x by 2 plus is there. So minus root over 2 sine square x by 2 is equals to cot ax plus b. Now this root 2, this will become root 2. Here we have cos square root cos square x by 2. We know that square root of x square value is mod x. Remember this, square root of x square is mod x. So here it will be mod of cos x by 2 plus root 2 mod of sin x by 2 divided by root 2 mod cos x by 2 minus root 2 mod sin x by 2 is equals to cot ax plus b. Take this root 2 common and this root 2 common and get cancelled. We have mod cos x by 2 mod sin x by 2 mod cos x by 2 minus mod sin x by 2. Here this mod depends on this, the value of x. It's given as x lies between pi and 2 pi. That is, here we have 0, 90, that is pi by 2, pi, here 3 pi by 2. X value lies between pi and 2 pi. So x lies between these two quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Here we have x by 2. That implies divided by 2, it will become pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than pi. X by 2 will lies between pi by 2 and pi. So here it will lie in this range, pi by 2 to pi, x by 2. X by 2 will lie in quadrant 2. X by 2 belongs to quadrant 2. X by 2 belongs to quadrant 2. Here in this quadrant, sine is positive, cos is negative. So the value of x by 2 belongs to second quadrant. Here sine is positive and cos is negative. So this root 2 will get cancelled. We have mod of cos of negative. Here cos is negative. So mod cos is minus cos x by 2 plus mod sine, it will become positive. Here sine is positive. So it will become sine x by 2 divided by minus cos x by 2 plus minus is there, minus sine x by 2 is equals to cot ax plus b. Here we have cot. Cot is cos by sine. Cot is cos by sine. If we want cot here also, we have to make cos by sine. So divide by sine. So divide by sine x by 2. Numerator and denominator. We will get this term will become minus 1. This will become sine by cos. Sine by cos will become, we are dividing by sine. Here we will get cot because we are dividing by sine. So it will become minus cot x by 2 plus sine by sine is 1. So here also we get minus cot x by 2 minus cot x by 2 minus 1 is equals to cot ax plus b. Rearrange this, 1 minus cot x by 2 divided by, take minus common, it will become 1 plus cot x by 2 is equals to cot ax plus b. Multiply this minus here, it will become cos x by 2 minus 1 minus into minus plus, and minus 1, minus 1. 1 can be written as cot pi by 4 divided by 1 plus, here multiply by 1 into cot x by 2. So the value of 1 is cot pi by 4 into cot x by 2. That is equals to cot ax plus b. We have one formula, cot a plus b. Cot a plus b formula is cot a, cot b, plus is there, so minus 1 divided by 1 cot b plus cot a. We have formula cot a plus b is cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Here we have reverse. So this can be modified as, now this can also be written as, multiply this minus here, we will get cot x by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus cot x by 2. Try to make this form, cot a cot b. So this can be written as cot x by 2 into cot pi by 4 minus 1 divided by cot pi by 4, cot pi by 4 plus cot x by 2. Cot x by 2 as it is, cot pi by 4 value is 1 minus 1. This value, this 1 is cot pi by 4 plus cot x by 2. Here we have cot ax plus b. Now compare these two formulas, we have cot a plus b. So this will become cot a. A value is this, b value is this. So it will become x by 2 plus pi by 4 is equals to cot ax plus b. Now comparing, coefficient of x is a here. A is equals to, coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So the value of a is 1 by 2 and b value is pi by 4. That is 45 degree.